Thank you for buying this 10164 magnetic display from Fixture Displays. These are all the components. In this short video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions how to assemble this unit, so you will have no trouble putting it together. These are all the parts of forecasters, 2 cross space, male and female, 2 tubes, lower tube and upper tube, and then we have hubs and hardware along with 2 panels. Begin assembly, we want to put on the casters onto the base. The nuts are pre-welded. Try to screw it all the way in, and later on you can do fine adjustments to level the rack. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Now we're ready to cross the 2 bases, and we're going to sit the lower tube on top, line up the holes, then fasten the 4 screws. In rare occurrence, the base, especially the female base, may be a little bent during shipping, and it's very easy to bend it back and keep it level. If you find your rack not being straight, that would be the first thing to look at. Now we have the hub and the ball bearing in place. We're going to drop the tower onto the wood hub, and then we're going to insert the top wood hub, and that will stop right there. At this time, we can move the sub-assembly down to the floor level and work on the upper tube. There's a hole on the lower tube. It's pre-threaded. You don't have to look for an inner hole. The way this works is a thread work against the set screw. I'll push the inner tube in to lock. Now we're going to insert a cotter pin right here to stop the hubs from moving. You can use a plier or a screwdriver to open up the cotter pin to lock that into place. You don't have to do a lot. Angle like that would work just fine. Likewise, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to drop the hub, and then the tower, and then the upper hub, and the cotter pin. The cotter pin for the upper hub may be a little difficult. You may need a stepping stool if you are a short person. Lastly, the pigtail sign holder. Now we have the unit completed. The dimensions, left to right, is 16 by 16. That's the footprint. Overall height is right about 70 inches. This is an excellent magnet display and can also work with hooks. The pigtail sign holder takes a signage of yours to advertise what you're merchandising. And the hooks, we use some white hooks for contrast. When you need hooks, it's not included. You can purchase the hook from us. The part number is 18477. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Do feel free to share the link with your friends in your social network. The 2 towers spins individually, and the whole unit moves around very easily The quality of the casters are superb, and it's a sturdy rack, will last a long time. I do encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services. For example, a tabletop version, part number is 15620. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.